Hi, it's Teacher Denise's family, Emily and Ryan and Hannah. And we are using some boxes that I cut to create marble mazes. We started with some modeling clay, and we are noticing that the modeling clay is a little bit sticky. So we might experiment with some other materials. Maybe we'll get out some of our homemade Play-doh and see how that works. But yeah, Emily's got a little bit of a maze made right here. Ryan has bigger spaces between his walls for his, and he says that he's having more luck with the glass marble not sticking. And Hannah, look, Hannah's making designs in hers. So, I want to see if you guys can make some marble mazes. Get a box and cut off the bottom. I had to tape up some of the flaps so that it was a totally flat surface on the bottom. But cut off some boxes and use some modeling clay or some Play-Doh or whatever else you can come up with and make yourself a marble run. Let's see how it goes. Okay, Emily has finished constructing her maze. She's going to give her marble a test run. Looks like the glass marble is getting stuck. That's a rather wide marble too. There it goes. She's having to tilt the box to make the marble go where it's supposed to go. It's getting stuck, and yeah, she made it to the end.
So I basically put like a barrier here so that you know that it's not a dead end. It's just like the end of the maze. So this is a dead end, and let's see, this is a dead end, but this isn't because this is the end of the maze.
All right, let's see. I want to see what marble runs you guys come up with.